you welcome back. It's Jyoti. What's happening? क्या चल रहा है? ये चल रहा है ये एल्बम कोहराम अभी भी चल रहा है अभी भी चल रहा है. Honestly, quite a few of you asked for this. I think it dropped 10-12 days ago. लेकिन ये Balkan Girl नाम ही सुन के I got put off. I'm just being very upfront and honest because I was like एक और talking about a hot girl kind of commercial track hoga, and like I'm very over those songs. What do I talk about them in these videos? What do I say? The lyrics are going to be very commercial-ish. There's nothing to deep dive into. Video वही होगा, some exotic location, probably Siberian, whatever, and it'll have the expected visuals. So what is there to discuss? You all should understand that when I react to music, I want to deep dive into deep art. So every drop of every artist that you are a fan of may not be possible for me to do because there is a lot of art in the world that I want to conquer and cover, not conquer, cover. And yeah, but ठीक है, आते गए request इस गाने के, so I'm here. And before we get into it, there is also a controversy of his that happened. His song got banned, and suddenly I saw people posting, like a lot of pages and other people like, oh, it's banned and we are speaking against this ban and how can you ban a song? Da, da, da. Yes, you can ban a song. You can ban a song if it speaks to something that should not be encouraged. You can and you should ban it. I'm gonna say it as I see it because I have been saying this from day one. Why are you glorifying the dumb things? It's good to be macho. It's good to be strong in life. Peace is only possible because the warriors exist. And it's good to flex that strength in situations where it's needed. But on this daily basis of talking about guns and ye, wo, machogiri in songs is unnecessary. It's not cool, man. It's not cool. Anyway, it's kind of like the sense of validation you're getting from these pieces of ammunition and these stupid things, external things. You don't need validation when internally you are strong. Your mind is strong. You're well read. You're well like informed. You're intelligent. You know what's going on. You can engage with any human on the planet and hold your own. Like those are things that are enough. You don't need external validation through guns and cars and clothes. And like I just feel like it's so dumb when people glorify these things. And I think I saw on the hip hop news also कि कोई बोल रहा था कि क्यों इस गाने के बैन के अगेंस्ट हम क्यों कहीं कहें कि ठीक है अब आप ये सब चीजें glorify करोगे तो. So anyway, I've been saying it from day one, and I know I'll get hate also, even now for it, even though you all know that I'm saying the right thing. But ठीक है, जो भी है, let's get to this song, Balkan Girl. I'm going into it with no notions, preconceived notions. गाना अच्छा होगा, vibes आएंगी अच्छी तो we will appreciate and enjoy, है ना? चलो, 1, 2, 3, play.
नजरां मड़ावे नाले नजरां चरावे लभ के बहाने तू भी खड़दी ऐ सावे बड़े माड़े हुंदे कुड़े साडे परछावे दस तू की चावे मैनू दस तू की चावे नजरां मिलावे नाले नजरां चुरावे लभ के बहाने तू भी खड़दी ऐ सावे बड़े माड़े हुंदे कुड़े साडे परछावे दस तू की चावे मैनू दस तू की चावे रैप करे बैठा PhD भी गुंडा गर्दी मैं मारी गेल दारू पी के बड़े आके वर्दी मैं सैफरोन कावा पी के रेडी छोरा सर्दी में बच के रहिए रे छोरी छोरा जमा ठरकी में तुर्की में मुर्गी का चल रहा कबाब कुड़े हुस्ने इलाही तेरा कोई ना हिसाब कुड़े बन जे ईरान जमा जंग का मैदान अरे मुख ते हटा दे बस थोड़ा जा हिजाब कुड़े सुने मैं तेरे बारे हुस्ने जहान नैना विच लोड रखे मौत दा समान 5 फुट्टी गन जदों खोल दी जबान बहुतियां दी जिंद मंगे मेरी मंगे जान रीज ला के तोड़े जदों तोड़े अरमान सोचां विच रहिंदी भला सगी बालकान तेरियां चलाकियां ने करते हैरान एक अद्धा गीत होना तैथों कुर्बान बिच नजरां मिलावे नाले नजरां चुरावे लब के बहाने तू भी खड़दी ऐ सावे बड़े माड़े हुंदे कुड़े साडे परछावे दस तू की चावे मैनू दस तू की चावे लगे मैं विश हयात कदे नरगिस फकरी तैनू देख देख कुड़े मेरी अख नहीं थकरी सानू कम सरकारी वांगू पाया तू चक्करी बनू सिफतां दे फुल केरा कली तू टक्करी ਜਿੰਨਿਆਂ ਦੇਸ਼ਾਂ 'ਚ ਮੇਰੀ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਐ ਚੌਧਰ ਨਰਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਾਪੀ ਤੂੰ ਵੀ ਵੈਲੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਡਾਟਰ ਦੱਸ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਟੱਪਣਾ ਐ ਬਾਰਡਰ ਖੁੰਝੇ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਐ ਲਾਅ ਐਂਡ ਆਰਡਰ सोच ले थोड़ा सा छोरी गलत है कि सही की तू सीधे डसे नैना गला छोड़ती ना कहीं की तू बालकन बोनर लगती मुंबई की रे तेरे आगे ठंडी पड़े रेत भी दुबई की जानते कपूर तुझे जानते खान भी आजा कॉफी विद कर्ण पे तू बन के जान भी अरे आईफा की छोड़ तुझे ले चलूं कान भी बस आजकल बात है सारी जान पहचान की नजरा मिलावे नाले नजरा चुरावे लब के बहाने तू भी खड़दी है सावे बड़े माड़े हुंदे कुड़े साडे परेशावे दस तू की चावे मैनू दस तू की चावे चोरी हाथ में टकीला लेके गई है घूर के तेरी हाँ की है तेरे आजू तुर के मारी रूह जिस माता चली जानी है उड़ के छोरी एक बारी और तन्ने देखा जे मुड़ के अख मट के मुंडे रखते पट के हरियाणा लुधियाना तेरी दीद नू तरसे चक्के जाम करवाए चोरी निकली घर से पक्का दंगे करवाऊ जिदा होए सी सर से नजरा मिलावे नाले नजरा चुरावे लब के बहाने तू भी खड़दी है सावे बड़े माड़े हुंदे कुड़े साडे परेशाने दस तू की चावे मैनू दस तू की चावे नजरा मिलावे नाले नजरा चुरावे लब के बहाने तू भी खड़दी है सावे बड़े माड़े हुंदे कुड़े साडे परेशाने दस तू की चावे मैनू दस तू की चावे Yo Livala in the house baby ex-Veer करे out
Y'all can probably tell from my expression what I thought of the song and its video. The only thing I liked in the song was the beat. The beat was a vibe, and got my head moving. But otherwise, not my scene, not my scene at all. I just don't understand like that line ki क्या था वो तुझे तक दे आँख नहीं थके something. I'm like, why are you normalizing staring? It is so uncomfortable, man. Why? 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 I mean, the artist or the singer is obviously not staring. He probably talks about like looking at a photo or something, but other people don't take it that way. They will be like, yeah, man, if I see a hot girl, I'm just gonna stare the crap out of her in the moment. And it's just deeply concerning that that is normal behavior. I don't know why, but I'm sorry, but in India, people just stare too much. It's like, what are you staring at? It's just ridiculous. And when you hear them in songs like this, the average listener will just be like, "Yeah, man, it's okay. It's this behavior goes." My favorite singer is saying it. Anywho's, the video just put me off entirely. After a point, I was like, I don't care about looking at this. Like, why are we not sick of this? Why are we not sick of this? I can just imagine like who are the people who come up with these video concepts, and then who are the people who sit in conference rooms and labels and approve this stuff. Is it like a group of boys sitting in a room together? Like, what is it? Are there no women in the room? Is nobody saying like, what is this, man? Just like stuff that is appealing to the primal things in people. Why are we not creating anything like beyond that? Let's get out of that layer, man. I just cannot. And there'll be hate that I get after this video. I know it. I just know it. I am very happy to appreciate art when I like it. But these kind of songs, I'm very over them. I'm very over these kind of visuals as well. I mean, just let's think out of the box and try and do something a little more creative with the visuals. Yeah. And then what else? What else? I liked his like rhyme schemes and the flows, and I think him and ex-Veer go well together. If I'm not mistaken, I remember I think they've done a track together that I've covered in the past. Abhi yaad nahi aa raha, but yeah, I really like the beat and the sonic vibe of it. Romeo's and Mixmaster A Shock. But come on, man, let's move beyond this stuff in music. Let's take art to other interesting places. Um, ठीक है, this is that one from the album about the hot girl. I will leave this video here. I'll end it here. And it just says a pure club banger with bold vibes, crazy beats, and unique lyrics. There was nothing unique about the lyrics. We've heard them in some form or another before. Except it was a nice Haryanvi Punjabi collab mix, है ना? From that angle, I would say cool. Chalo, on that note, let me know what else I should get to. Take care of yourselves, live long and prosper.